Good morning, beautiful people. I'm on the way to Milford Sound. Looks like perfect Milford weather. Pretty sure it's going to rain the whole time. To Queenstown yesterday. I've been invited down to Milford Sound, which I've never been to before. Totally ridiculous, I know, because I'm a Kiwi. So yeah, heading down to check it out. So far it's full of tour buses stopping so everyone can take epic photos of this valley. Stopped again, but there's a Kia here. She's adorable. She came running up to the bus. The road to Milford Sound comes between these incredibly steep mountains behind me, and in winter when it snows up on top of them the risk of avalanches is really high because they are so steep, so this road ends up getting closed quite a lot, but it makes for some of the most incredible scenery. So we're really lucky with the weather here today because all this rain means that the waterfalls are running. Have you ever seen anything like that? This place is shockingly beautiful. To Milford. I don't know if you can even hear me because it's so windy, but I'm now on a boat and we're cruising through the fjord. Check out these waterfalls, honestly, this rain is so worth it. Right now it's not selling it given that it's freezing cold and soaking wet, but honestly I'm just in awe. There are a heap of seals on a rock down here. This giant waterfall behind me is called Falls, and apparently we're going to go in pretty close, so I think we're about to get even wetter, but you know, at this point I guess it really doesn't matter, does it? I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little apprehensive. I think I'm wet enough. I'm gonna head inside. The boat dropped me off. We're down to hiking downpours. Sorry, but I'm not going to be able to film much in case I drown my second camera vlog. Good morning, beautiful people. So I didn't finish the vlog yesterday after we got totally drenched kayaking, but it's about 6 AM. I just woke up and the rain's completely cleared up. So you can actually see Mice Peak now, which is the iconic mountain here in Milford. It's absolutely stunning. Take a look. What's up guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please feel free to like it, comment, subscribe, do all those great things to help me build this channel, and I'll see you in the next one.